So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and get your ChatGPT Wrapped or your year with ChatGPT on ChatGPT. Now, doing this is actually very basic. All it really requires you to do is just open up the ChatGPT application or your website, and you should be able to see this little pop-up come up. Now, most of the time, if it doesn't work, you might have to reload the website or just update your ChatGPT app, and then you'll be able to come into this panel. Now, what you can do is you can go through and you can tap onto this little button that says Your Year with ChatGPT. So what you can do is you can tap onto that little pop-up, and it will go ahead and start to generate a little panel that will tell you, what you basically did with ChatGPT. So you can tap on Get Started, and it will start to tell you what you've basically done here. So you can click on Let's Begin, and then it will tell you, says you chased light in Las Vegas with flare. It'll go ahead and tell you a bunch of random things throughout. So it'll tell you everything that you kind of looked into. I think these are different videos I made. You can swipe through. And then you can basically see all the things that you basically talked about and what you did. So it'll give you a little trophy. I think you can go through and ask it or share it or something like that. But that is basically how it's done. So if you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.